Now children, see how to write Roman numbers for Hindu Arabic numbers from 1 to 10. Hindu Arabic number 1 I, in Roman it is I, 2 it is 2 times of I, 3 3 times of I, 4 IV, 5 V, 6 VI, 7 VII, 8 V 3 times of I, 9 IX and 10 X. Now look at here I, V and X, they are symbol. Now this 2 times of I means 2 and 3 times of I 3. This is based on rule number 1, addition rule. Now this 4 is IV, that is based on rule number 3, subtraction rule. And 6, 7 and 8, that is VI, VII and V 3 times of I, based on rule number 2, addition rule. Again 9 IX, based on rule number 3, subtraction rule. And X is symbol. The same thing you can see if you go through Roman number from 10 to 100. Now look at here, 10 is X, 20 is XX, 30 is 3 times of X, 40 XL, 50 L, 60 LX, 70 LXX, 80 L 3 times of X, 90 X, C and 100 C. Now look at here, this 10, 50 and 100 are direct symbol. And 20 and 30 we are getting by applying this rule number 1, addition rule. 40 we are getting by applying rule number 3, that is subtraction rule, means a smaller symbol written before a larger one. And 60, 70 and 80 again we are getting by applying rule number 2, that is the addition rule. And 90, rule number 3, subtraction rule, that is 100 minus 10 equal to 90 XC, and 100 is C, direct symbol. When we write any number up to 100 in Roman, we separate the tens and ones and then first write the Roman numeral for the tens and then write the Roman numeral for the ones. For example, 52. You have to write it in Roman. So first of all you have to separate it in tens, means 50 plus 2. So 50, we know the symbol, it is L, and 2 we can write it by 2 times of I. Now see 49. 49 we can split into 40 and 9. 40 plus 9. So to write 40 we use the symbol XL, and for 9 IX. So XL IX, it is 49. Now see 84. 84 means 80 plus 4. 80 we can write by LXXX, and 4, that is IV. Similarly 99. 99 means 90 plus 9. So 90 is XC and 9 is IX. Altogether it is 99. Similarly, when we convert Roman numerals to Hindu Arabic, we convert it in tens and ones. Example, LX, IX. So LX means it is the tens part. If you convert it in Hindu Arabic, LX is 60. L means 50 and X is 10 and it is addition, so it is 60. And IX, it is based on subtraction, so 60 plus 9 equal to 69. Now look at XCV. XC, it is the tens part. It is 90 and V is ones part, that is 5. Altogether 95. Now look at XLIV. So XL can be considered as tens part, that is 40, and IV it is 4. Altogether the value is 44. Now see LXXVII. So LXX, it represents 70 and VII, it represents 8. Altogether 78. In this way you have to convert Roman number to Hindu Arabic or Hindu Arabic to Roman. Now look at your book, exercise 2. There are few questions given based on this concept. Question number 1, write the Roman numeral for each of the following Hindu Arabic numerals. First one is given 44. So first of all you have to break it in 40 plus 4 40, it can be written as XL and 4 is IV. 38, 30 plus 8. 30 means X and 8 is VIII. 95, 90 plus 5. 90 means XC and 5 is V. So in this way you can convert all the Hindu Arabic numbers into Roman. Now look at question number 2. It is asking that write the Hindu Arabic numerals corresponding to each of the Roman numerals. Roman numerals given, you have to convert it into Hindu Arabic. Look at here, XXIX. Earlier we have discussed, first of all you have to convert in tens part and then in ones part. XX, it is 20 and IX, it is 9. So altogether 29. Now look at XLV. XL is tens part and V is ones part. XL, it is 40 and V 5, altogether 45. Now look at C. L, XXX, IX. So L, XXX, altogether tens part. It is 80 and IX ones part, it is 9. So the final answer is 89. This way you can convert Roman number to Hindu Arabic. But when you do the work in your classwork copy, you have to show how you are breaking it. Now see question number 4. Compare and put correct symbol. Greater, lesser or equal. Number A. Left side it is given LXII. Right side XLII. So LXII 62. XLII 42. So 62 is greater than 42. Number B. XXXV and XXVII, it is 35 and it is 27. So therefore it is bigger. This way you have to convert first of all Roman numeral to Hindu Arabic. Then it will be very easy to compare which one is bigger and which one is smaller. You cannot compare it directly. First convert it in Hindu Arabic and then you can compare it very easily. Rest of the things I am giving you in the form of pics. You have to do your homework properly. You have to follow the instruction given to do the homework and complete your homework. All the best.